I'm sure that was a shock to you, even like you said, even though it was the language was in the agreement, just the fact that they actually put it into action.
So the not the as the crow flies language was not in the agreement.
Okay.
The non-compete was in the agreement. Yes, I
Yeah.
knew that. I knew about the mile and a half that I couldn't get close to them.
Hmm.
Um, the term that they ended up using, because apparently it's a legal term and you can use that, that was never in the contract. Like, because I would have tried to find out what that means. I would have learned what that meant before I even opened up that third location, right? Like, so
Right.
I didn't have that information because it was never in a contract.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So what was the result of the lawsuit?
So immediately it was like they wanted me to shut down because they were like, you in breach of contract. So we went to court. It wasn't like an emergency. We went to court, and the goal was to get the court um, to ask that to basically what they call a stay, to get a stay from the court so that I would be able to open my business. And then whatever we needed to, sort of figure out, but we could keep it outside of court. However, the judge ruled in their favor, and also said that he wasn't ordering me to shut down, but wanted me to work out whatever differences, with the company, right? So they basically sent us to mediation. So that took months. We were in mediation for, I mean, I was allowed to open, so I could stay open and run the business, but what they were asking for was if we could not come to an agreement, then I would have to close my doors. I just put up my author page. It's just KettiaMing.com.
pushplaypods.com.